To make a Diplodocus, inflate a red twisting balloon, leaving a margin of about 6 inches. Slide the knot toward the mouth of the balloon to get some extra space, and pump up some air into it. Form an angle at about 1.5 inches from the knot. Then, keeping the shape of that angle safe in your holding hand, curve the balloon in the opposite direction right after the angle. And form a bubble right after the curve, like that. Then make 2 bubbles of about 2.5 inches each for the front legs. And lock twist them together. Continue with 2 more bubbles, a little bit longer than the previous ones. This time it will be for its tummy. And lock twist them together as well. Now you need to make a series of 4 small bubbles. Each of them should be about 3/4 of an inch wide. And starting with the last one, slide them slowly through the 2 bubbles you made for the tummy. Do it softly one by one. See, they are all coming on the other side now. Now, take the bubble closest to the neck and transform it into a pinch twist. This will solidify the connection between the legs, the neck, and the tummy. While the 3 other bubbles will form the back. Let's now do the hind legs. You will now make 2 bubbles, exactly the same size as the bubbles for the front legs, and lock twist them together. Let's now make a pinch twist to strengthen the connection between the tail and the rest of the body. And for extra strength, we will now lock twist the tail together with the hind legs right after that pinch twist. Very good. Now, let's shape that tail. It has to be much larger close to the hind legs and much thinner at the end. To do that, just compress the extremity of the tail so that all the air is pushed back toward the hind legs. Do this movement a few times in a row, because each time the base of the tail will get a little larger. But be careful not to burst the balloon by doing it too roughly. Once it is done, you can curve the balloon and give it the shape of a Diplodocus tail. And last but not least, let's draw a few details on its head. The eyes, the eyebrows, and a great smile, because a Diplodocus is a kind and a gentle animal. And that's it. This is how you can make a balloon Diplodocus.